Put the meat in the jar and enjoy the most delicious dinner. Cut a few onions into thin half rings. Put the onion into 2 jars. Cut 2 peeled carrots into thin matchsticks. Put the carrot into the jars. Add rice to each jar. Pour in cream just enough to cover the rice. Cut the pork neck into medium-sized pieces and put into a bowl. Season the meat with salt, black pepper, sweet paprika, basil. Mix the meat well with the spices. Drizzle with vegetable oil and mix once again. Put the pieces of meat and thin slices of bacon onto a few skewers. Do not pack the meat and bacon too tightly. Leave a little space between the pieces. During baking, the bacon will melt more easily and the fat will drip over the rice garnish. Insert the skewers vertically into the jars. Cover the jars with aluminum foil. Put in the oven and bake for 1 hour. In the bowl with iceberg lettuce, add carrot cut into small cubes. A cucumber peeled and finely chopped. Red bell pepper cut into matchsticks. Yellow bell pepper sliced. Then green bell pepper thinly cut. Add cabbage cut into matchsticks. A sliced tomato. Red onion cut into half rings. Chopped parsley. In vegetable oil, pour in vinegar and lemon juice. Add salt, black pepper, oregano, honey, mustard. Mix the dressing. Pour the dressing over the vegetables and mix the salad. Meat combined with rice and vegetables has not left anyone indifferent yet. Therefore, the delicious and ingenious recipe will be to everyone's liking.